In a stunning turn of events, the highly anticipated Season 8 premiere of Bravo's hit reality series, Below Deck Mediterranean, was marred by a shocking and unexpected departure. As the episode unfolded, viewers were left in disbelief as one of the crew members received devastating news of a loved one's untimely death. Emotions were already running high as the cast members embarked on their latest adventure aboard a luxurious superyacht under the guidance of Captain Sandy Yuan. However, this unforeseen tragedy added an extra layer of complexity to an already tense atmosphere. The episode took a dramatic turn when Chief Stewardess Tumi Malongo and Steward Kyle Vian found themselves caught in a web of lies. Captain Sandy, known for her keen attention to detail and no-nonsense approach, swiftly uncovered their deceitful actions. The ramifications of their dishonesty remain to be seen, as their betrayal could have severe consequences for their positions within the crew. Season 8 of Below Deck Mediterranean promises to be a rollercoaster ride filled with drama, challenges, and unexpected twists. The premiere episode sets the tone for a turbulent journey ahead, as the crew navigates their professional duties and personal relationships amidst the backdrop of breathtaking coastal destinations. With Captain Sandy at the helm, the crew members must strive to maintain the highest level of service, ensuring the satisfaction of demanding charter guests who have come to expect nothing less than perfection. As tensions rise and conflicts emerge, viewers will be captivated by the interpersonal dynamics and high-stakes situations that unfold throughout the season. Fans of the series eagerly anticipate each episode, eagerly anticipating how the events will unfold and how the crew will cope with the unexpected departures, emotional challenges, and professional obstacles they encounter. With the promise of romance, rivalry, and gripping storylines, Below Deck Mediterranean Season 8 premiere leaves viewers on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting the next episode to see how the crew will navigate the treacherous waters of their demanding profession.